Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is the end of 2018 and new year, new beginning. So I was actually want to do good stuff that I discovered in 2018, but I have a lot of them that I actually like, so I decided to do something that kind of negative, like say goodbye to the old thing, bad things, and new year, new beginning, stuff like that. So I have a box of the stuff that I don't like or doesn't work for me. So I know I just need a box, so I just put in this box. And my makeup is my holiday makeup look, and I also link that video on the description box. So when I buy stuff, I try really hard to make the stuff work, and so this I can't. So in this box I have makeup, skincare, and some hair products. So let's start with the first thing. Elf makeup remover cleansing cloth. I tried this maybe on the first or my third video, or second or third videos, and I wanted to try affordable makeup wipe, and this one was like, I don't know, $4, $3, and I wipe the makeup and it really irritate my skin. It just feel really stinging, like I cannot use this on my face. But I use this when I do some swatches on my arm, and I just wipe it, and that's okay, but not on my face. Second is Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Gentle Pads. This I got from my Not Secret Santa, what's it called? Feel Unique box, and I really love this. I love the scent. It smells like lemongrass, and also says sensitive. But when I read the ingredients, it actually has fragrance and alcohol that is actually bad for the skin. You can Google about the alcohol, the good alcohol, the bad alcohol, and the ugly alcohol on the website, and it will actually tell you what is good in the skincare and what is not. So unfortunately this one has 2 ingredients that is bad for the skin, so I'm just gonna stop using this. The next one is Tea Gel Therapeutic Shampoo. So this one is not bad, but so I have dandruff, and my scalp is really sensitive and itchy and flaky, so I need some solution. So I came across with this, and I mean it works great, and it's not expensive. But the thing about this is, you can see that I try to use it a lot until I can't anymore. It smells like tars, when they make road, it smells terrible. So I can't. Next thing is also shampoo, and this one is Head and Shoulders Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner in Green Apple. So I'm still new into hair self-care stuff like that, and somebody recommended me this brand, so I give it a try, and it was great until I'm halfway through this bottle and it stopped working. And I was in the salon and I asked them do you have any recommendation for the shampoo, or what do you think about the Head and Shoulder, and 2 of them actually said it's bad, it's maybe short fix but not long term, and it's just gonna build up and it's just bad. So, and it stopped working, so they were right, and I stopped using that. Okay, and then next thing that I have is is skincare. This is from Kiehl's Rosa Arctica Eye. This is like the weirdest eye cream that I ever try. Like, I don't know if you can see. You can, like, the cream is kind of like thick and like oily. It's not like creamy, easy blend, you know. It's like really thick and you have to really rub it in, and it doesn't absorb. Like, I will leave it like hours and still like feel sticky there. The next thing is Belif the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I actually got this from Sephora, like a trial size. You buy this much and you get free stuff. And this one smells amazing. But I'm the worst person to describe scent, so I think this one break me out. So no. Oh, damn! I have a lot. Next one, I also got this from Feel Unique from my Not Secret Santa. This is Evening Detox Clay Mask from the brand called Thisworks. This really sting, like feel really sting on the skin. I just don't like it. Next one we have Tarte Rainforest Off the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist. This is the first Tarte product that I ever used and it disappointed me. I love everything about this. The only thing that I don't like about it, and it's the most important thing, is the spray head. Like, and look, it's already broke. It just doesn't make mist. It just like everywhere, and I swear to God that it destroyed my makeup 2 or 3 times. I was really sad, but you know what I did? So I had one empty Wet n Wild natural finishing spray. So I pour this in this because the spray head of this was amazing. Next thing we have Duo Strip Lash. Come on, there we go. This I don't like the applicator, like the glue just come out so much and it just become really messy and go everywhere, so I don't like that. Next, I cannot believe that I'm saying this, but this is Fenty Beauty Iridescent Lip Luminizer in Summer Days. It was maybe limited edition, the pack, and this is what come in one pack. And so 2 of this great. And I already know that I'm not gonna like this shade because it's green and it's gloss. So whenever I put on my lips, I look like a zombie. Next one is Maybelline Master Camo Color Correcting Pen in Apricot. So I used this one for a while until it just, I don't know, I find something better. Or it's when I use it to collect the dark area around my mouth, I noticed that the foundation just scatter a lot and looks really not cute on the corner of my lips. And next we have NYX Total Drop Foundation. This is so small, it's kind of pricey for the size. It's really liquidy and I had to use a lot of it to get all over my face or to get any coverage. And the worst part of this is it transfers so freaking bad. Like, doesn't matter what powder I use, set or not setting my face, it still transfer. Like, if I touch my face or if I use anything to put on my face, it just like come out. Like, it's so gross. Next is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I don't know if you saw one of my video, but I was using this and I decided like every time I use this, my under eye just look weird, and it removed my foundation. And when I set with the best setting powder, Laura Mercier, it still like collect and become like a dot dot dot. It's just so ugly. Next we have Covergirl mascaras. This one is the Flourish, like the avocado one, and this one is Peacock Flare. They're both really affordable, but just didn't do anything for me. The applicator is kind of like, I don't know, and it hurts whenever I put on my eyelash, or when it touch, you know, like the bottom of the lash, it hurts. So I prefer something like this, even though it's huge, but it's kind of like a lot, like, I don't know, fluffy, and it doesn't hurt. Next is also a drugstore brand. This is NYX matte lip liner. I don't like this because it really is not soft, it's not smooth when I put on the lip, and it's not as pigmented. So next thing is also from the brand that I love. This is Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. I also got this from the bestseller pack. The applicator is freaking massive, like compared to the eyes, even bigger than my eyes, and it didn't do anything to my lash. Didn't do anything. Next, also from Smashbox, this is Insta Matte Lipstick Transformer. This came with the Holidaze lipstick set, and I don't know what's the point of this. Like, I would never use it. If I want matte, I just put matte lipstick. I don't want to, you know. Then the last thing from my box is NYX Super Clicky Matte Lipstick. This is how it looks. It's kind of fun. It's like you do this, but it's just messy, and it doesn't last long, and I don't know, it's become like dry on the lips. I don't like it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me get rid of the bad stuff that I don't like, but just disclaimer, these stuff are not working just for me. It might work for you, and that's great if it does. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you next year. Bye bye.